Hey everybody, Ron Ipack here. Thanks very much for watching this really quick video. Now today I want to talk about a subject that, quite frankly, I'm tired of talking about, and you probably are too. It's the lack of technicians that are available out there in the marketplace. Look, this problem is not going to get better anytime soon, if at all. Okay, there's just simply not enough technicians to go around. So what I want to do on this video is maybe offer you some alternatives to finding that other technicians, or maybe look at it as the Band-Aid approach to kind of solve some problems that you're trying to overcome until you do find that technician, okay? So first and foremost, what I want to do is ask you, why do you feel you need another technician? Maybe you want to make more money. Maybe your parking lot is stuffed full of cars and you can never seem to get ahead. Whatever the reason is, I guarantee there's another solution, or at least another Band-Aid that you can stick on that problem to get through until you find another technician. What do I mean by that? Well, let's look at the cars you already have. Let's say you want to make more money with all the vehicles that are there. Are you charging the right prices? Have you raised your prices accordingly? Are you looking at the profitability in your business? Are you making sure that you're eking out every dollar you possibly can in profit from every car that comes in the door? What about all those cars that are lining up in your lot that you can never seem to get to? Well, let's look at the cars themselves. Are they too new? Are they too old? What do I mean by that? Well, if you got a car sitting out there that's waiting to be serviced and all it needs is an oil change, maybe a cabin air filter, maybe wiper blades or some very basic stuff because it's a fairly new car, that's probably not the right car for you. The same if they're too old, like here in Ohio in the Rust Belt. The older the car is, the more rust, the more problems it is to work on. So maybe it takes entirely too long to work on the really old cars. See, if you want to speed up the process, you got to have better cars sitting there in your lot. Okay, maybe it's the customers you have coming in the door. If you want to make more money and they're not willing to pay your prices, maybe you need to find better customers. You see, whatever the problem is, there's at least a Band-Aid solution until you do find that technician that you're looking for. Look at it through a different pair of glasses. See if we can figure out a way around the technicians until you find them to make your life a whole lot better. I hope this helps.